Alright guys, today we have a G35 sedan here. G37, G35, Q50, Q60, all those are basically the same on removing a speaker. Alright, so let's get this taken apart. We will start with the window switch. Just get in there, pop that back like that. Make sure not to be very aggressive with it. It will come up. There's a lot of little clips in here. And then we'll go with undoing. Let me flip this. We'll undo the plugs out of here. That. All right, then once you get the window switch off, you're gonna come up here, just pry back on the front side of it, because there's a little tab right there. So once the rear is popped up, you just slide this part back, and then you're gonna have 3 10 mils to take this off, and the door panel will be coming right off. So there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. And when I'm doing the door panel, I like to pop this guy down, because it's kind of hard to get to when the door panel's off. So just pop that out and then tuck the cord back in there. And then to get the door panel off, I go from the bottom. There's little pop clips in there. Just pull straight forward and the whole door panel will come off. And then once you have the bottom of the door panel off, you're going to want to lift up, give it a little wiggle. And then you'll see the door lock actuator right here, and then you'll see a few other plugs. So we'll start with the speaker plug right here. I don't know if you can see that, but the little brown one. So I undid the clip already. And then there's this one right here, which is for the seat memory. So we'll do that one. That kind of frees you up a little bit. And if you would have left the one down here where my fingers are, it makes it so you can't pull it off and work with it. So come up here and then just slide those forward. And then there's gonna be a notch right there that the door lock actuator actually sits in. So rotate the cable forward and then come up. Same thing with the top. Just gently slide up on the back. These things break easy, so don't be too rough with it. And same thing, just slide that forward. So once you have the door panel off, there's going to be a few 10 mils, and there's going to be 1 plug. So I'll start with this plug, like that. Pop that guy loose. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 10 mils. And then there's always a little it's like epoxy almost behind this, so just kind of pop that loose there. And then there's a locating pin right here, so don't break that. And that is how you remove a speaker on a G35 and G37.